Does more website traffic continue to elude you? You wonder why more website traffic continues to elude you. So you beef up your efforts like never before, in a desperate attempt to bring in more visitors. But perhaps the real problem is not the lack of new faces to your site. Maybe it has more to do with why you're not taking more care of the potential customers you've already got. How do you nurture those who sign up for your list, and why should you do it? Well, apart from being a nice guy who really cares about them, let me remind you what happens when you start to discuss a TV show you enjoy with your friends. Say you all love fishing, and you discover you all love watching Fishing the Flats with Henry Waschuk. You don't need any encouragement to agree how great the show is, or how much you enjoy his fishing tips, the recipe the chef provides, and the incredible variety of amazing fish found off the Florida Keys, or further down south. Do you love the show for his obvious skill and the things you learn there? Partly, because he really is skillful, and the show has a great well-designed format, packed with value. But it's more than just the tips, or Henry Waschuk's skill, that makes you feel like you've had a mini fishing vacation, when you take that half hour to watch it on Sunday mornings. It's more than just the tips, or the expertise. Ellipsis. It's Henry's enthusiasm, his passion, his joy, and how he so obviously lives for the sport. He's like a little kid always caught in Christmas Day, in the warm, sunny Florida coastal waters, and what's more, he's the sort of outgoing, friendly kid who lives to share his best presents with you. Even his chef, who so quickly shows you that fabulous, mouth-watering fresh catch recipe, mirrors that enthusiasm and keeps the mood, and the party, flowing right along. How long has it been since you brought that sense of joy and adventure to your website? How long since you shared your toys with absolute wonder and gleeful delight? Or do you calculate, plot, weigh consequences, and dole out content to your reader, inch by reluctant inch? You need to give them a reason to really want to come back to your website. You want them running up your driveway, every Sunday morning, eager to see what you've got to share, like Henry, today. Rediscover what made it fun. That's the missing lure you may need to put back into your marketing strategy, to get more traffic. Make the most of the readers you've got, and they'll do the work for you. That example I used about Fishing the Flats was a real one. As we sat there and discussed it, we quickly found out 4 people in our midst hadn't yet discovered the show, but after listening to us, they quickly became avid fans. Just think, if that happened with 400 groups, each gaining 4 more subscribers in 4 weeks, that TV show would have 1,600 new viewers per week. And if those 1,600 new viewers go out and 400 of them get into conversations with other fishing buddies, well, you can already see where I'm going with this, I'm sure. So look for those 2 qualities, genuine enthusiasm and generosity in sharing a passion, in your marketing journey. If they're not there in yours, step back. Take a vacation for yourself until you rediscover what lights you up like Henry Waschuk, before you take another step. After all, why kill yourself, working night and day to drag in new visitors, when your enjoyment could be the missing key element helping your current subscribers haul in an even greater catch? Bonus. There are more than 45 tools which can help you with SEO research and SEO audits. Find all those tools if you wish to. Good part is all those tools is just free to use. Get access now. For more information, please visit SEOtoolsportal.com. If you like this video, then you can subscribe this channel for future updates. And don't forget to like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.